So, hi everybody, I'm Ivan Agagia, and as I promised in previous blog post, now I'm going to show you how to set up a development environment. And in my situation, it's making libSDL work with Visual Studio 2008 Express Edition. So first of all, I'll download libSDL development library from libsdl.org website. I'll go to download section, SDL 1.2. I'll scroll down to development libraries and download SDL Devel 1.2.14 VC8. I'll save it somewhere on my computer. I skip this part. So now, as I downloaded the development library of libSDL, I've unzipped it in the folder SDL Devel and so on VC8, and here it is. The lib files, and they include files that we'll need to build our projects based on SDL library. Now let's open Visual Studio 2008 Express Edition and create new project. I'll create Win22 project. I'll name it libSDL Hello World Application. Click OK. I'll switch application type to console application. We won't need precompiled header, and I'll click finish. Now, to test whether I've done everything right, I'm going to use the initialization example from libsdl.org. Here it is. I'm going to just copy this source code in my ANSP file. I'm going to modify a little bit. So now the next step I'll need to do is to include the appropriate lib files and include files that are needed to build project based on libSDL library. I'm going to click on project in Solution Explorer and go to Properties window, and in C++ General section, I'm going to add additional include lib directories. So the directory in my case is located here. Okay. Now libSDL, where it is. So here it is. I'll click select folder and then just click OK. Next, I'm going to add the lib additional library directory. So I'm going to go to linker section, general, and click browse button next to additional library directories. I'm going to add the library folder from libSDL package. I'll click select folder and click OK. So there's one more thing left to do, and it is that we'll need to add additional dependency libraries. This means I'll need to specify the particular lib files which are needed to build be included in link process of my project. I'll go to input section and click browse button next to additional dependencies. So here I'll need names of the libraries files. I'll go to the package folder and copy the names. One is sdl.lib and the second one is sdl main.lib. So I'll click OK once again and run our project. As you see in output is naturally executes code 0. Okay. There are no any errors, as you can see. And now I'm going to test this application from console to see whether this error occurs or not. I'm going to open command line, go to my C disk, to projects, and to libSDL application. What I have to bug. Okay, here it is, libSDL. Okay, as we see, there were no errors, everything works well, and that's all. This was the basic instructions that are needed to do to set up libSDL to work under Visual Studio C++ 2000 Express Edition. Thanks for watching and see you in next tutorial. PS, just to mention, you can watch this video on GarageGameDeveloper.com or here. Bye bye.